Creating content consistently can be one of the biggest challenges for creators, marketers, and business owners. Coming up with ideas, creating marketing content, and maintaining a regular publishing schedule that can take a lot of time. That is where Blaze AI comes in. Blaze AI is an AI powered content creation platform designed to help users create content faster, maintain brand consistency, and automate parts of their content workflow. In this video, I will show you how to get started with Blaze AI and use it for content automation, even if you are a complete beginner. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover tools that save time and improve productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description for any available discount or promotion. By using the description link, the discount will be applied automatically. Now, let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is creating your Blaze account. You just need to use the description link and you can create your account within just a minute. After you sign up, you will arrive at the main dashboard. The interface is designed to be beginner friendly, so you would not need any technical skills to get started. Spend few minutes to exploring the available options and understanding where the content creation tools are located. One of the first thing Blaze AI will help you to do is set up your brand information. This is important because the platform uses this information to generate content that matches your business style and voice. You can add details about your business, target audience, products, services, and preferred writing style. Once your brand is complete, you can start creating content. From the dashboard, choose the type of content you want to generate. Let's say I want to create a blog post, so I'm just selecting this one. Now I will enter a brief description. Blaze AI support various content formats including social media posts, blog articles, marketing copy, email content, and promotional materials. Let's say you want to create a social media post. Simply, you can select the social media content option and enter a brief description to your topic. The more information you provide, the better the results will usually be. Within seconds, Blaze AI generates content ideas and draft posts that you can review and customize. Another useful feature is content repurposing. Many creators spend hours turning a simple piece of content into multiple formats. Blaze AI helps automate this process. For example, you can take a blog post and quickly transform it into social media content. Also, you can make it a promotional message or email content. This can significantly reduce the amount of work required to maintain an active online presence. For businesses that create content regularly, the content calendar features can also be helpful. Instead of planning everything manually, you can organize content ideas, schedule publishing activities, and maintain a more consistent content strategy. One of the biggest benefits of Blaze AI is speed. Tasks that might normally take hours can often be completed in minutes. This allows creators and marketers to focus more on strategy, audience management, and business growth rather than spending all their time creating content from scratch. Another useful capability is maintaining brand consistency. When multiple people create content for businesses, messaging can sometimes become inconsistent. Blaze AI helps to generate content that follows the brand guidelines you have provided, making it easier to maintain a consistent voice across different channels. As with any AI tool, it is important to review and edit the content before publishing. AI can generate strong drafts and ideas, but adding the personal expertise and unique perspective often produces the best results. Think of Blaze AI as a content assistant rather than a complete replacement for human creativity. For beginners, I recommend starting with simple content project first. Create a few social media posts, experiment with blog outlines, and test different content formats. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you can begin using more advanced features and larger content workflows. The good news is that Blaze AI can fit into many different business models. Whether you are a creator, freelancer, marketer, consultant, agency owner, or a small business operator, the platform can help streamline content production and improve efficiency. That brings us to the end of this video, and as you can see, Blaze AI makes the content creation and content automation much more accessible, even for the users with little experience. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. Hope this video was helpful, and make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the description link for any available Blaze AI offers. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.